Hi guys, so today we're going to be putting in a new dial-in board. So as you saw in our last video, we put in some new shocks for our first ever garage video. So figured we'd do some more, and if you like them, hit that like button. So yeah, we're going to put in a new dial-in board, and yeah, so like, subscribe, and make sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. So, as you saw, the dial-in board went in pretty nice. So, yeah, it's made out to be a really short video, and thanks for watching. So, I'm going to give you some racing footage.